Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the question and answers of the first lesson. So let us see the first question. First question is complete the sentence by selecting the correct option. In that first is the earth requires 24 hours for one rotation in 1 hour, and the options are A. 5 longitudes will face the sun, B. 10 longitudes will face the sun, C. 15 longitudes will face the sun, D. 20 longitudes will face the sun. The correct answer is 15 longitudes will face the sun. Second, to calculate the difference between the local times of any two places on the earth, options A. The known time at both the places should be known. B. The difference in degrees of their longitude should be known. C option. The difference in standard times of both the places should be known. D. Changes need to be made according to the international date line. And the answer for this is the difference in degrees of their longitudes should be known. C. The difference between the local time of any two consecutive longitude is options. First, 15 minutes. Second option, 4 minutes. Third option, 30 minutes. Fourth option, 60 minutes. And the correct answer is 4 minutes. Now, let us go to the second question. Give geographical reasons. A. The local time is decided by the noon time. First point, longitudes help in determining the time of a place. Second point, the time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time. Third point, the local time of a place on the earth's surface is determined with reference to its noon time. Fourth, this implies that places lying on the same longitude from the North Pole to the South Pole have the same local time. So, the local time is decided by the noon time. B. The local time at Greenwich is considered to be the International Standard Time. Answer. First point, business is conducted at global level. When there is compatibility between the standard times of various countries. Second point, in order to facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones, which have been created with reference to the prime meridian that passes through Greenwich. Third point, the local time at Greenwich, that is Greenwich Mean Time in England, is considered to be the international standard time for international coordination between countries. Fourth point, the difference in standard times of various countries is calculated with reference to GMT. C. The standard time of India has been decided by the local time at 82.5 degree east longitude. Answer. First point, if there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal differences, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. Second point, therefore, the local time at the longitude, which generally passes through the middle of the country, is deemed to be the standard time of that country. Third point, the longitude of 82.5 degree east passes through the middle of India with reference to its longitudinal extent through the city of Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Fourth, also the difference between the local times of any other places in India and that of 82 degree 30 minutes east is not more than 1 hour. Hence, the Indian Standard Time that is RST, has been decided according to the local time at 82.5 degree east longitude. D. Canada has 6 different standard times. Normally, if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered for the country. Second point, but if the longitudinal extent is more than that, then one standard time is not enough, and in such countries more than one standard time zones are considered. Third point, the longitudinal extent of Canada is approximately 90 longitudes. Fourth point, thus the time difference between the easternmost and the westernmost part of Canada will be 6 hours. Hence, Canada has 6 different standard times. Question number 3, answer in brief. A. If it is 12 noon at 60 degree east longitude, then explain what would be the time at 30 degree west longitude. Answer, as we move towards the west, the local time decreases by 4 minutes for every longitude. Total longitude is equal to 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. 1 degree longitude is equal to 4 minutes 90 degree longitudes is equal to 90 into 4 is equal to 360 minutes. So 360 divided by 60 minutes and the answer is 6 hours. As we move towards the west, time is deducted. This implies that the time at 30 degree west longitude will be 6 hours behind the time at 60 degree east longitude. Time at 60 degree east longitude is equal to 12. Thus, time at 30 degree west longitude is equal to 12 minus 6. Answer is 6. Thus, the time will be 6 am at 30 degree west longitude. How is the standard time of place determined? First point, if different local times are followed within a country according to the longitudinal differences, then there will be lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. Second point, if each place follows their local time, it could lead to discrepancies in carrying out daily business in the country. Third point, in order to avoid this, it is a general practice to consider the local time at the longitude which passes through the middle of the country as the standard time of that country. This time is used all over the country. Fourth point, only one standard time is considered for the country when the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours. Fifth point, however, when the longitudinal extent is more than that, then one standard time is not enough, and in such countries more than one standard time zones are considered. C. A football match being played at Sao Paulo, Brazil, started in India at 6 am. Explain what would be the local time at Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo in Brazil is at 46 degree west longitude, while the Indian standard time is decided according to the 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. As we move towards the west, the local time decreases by 4 minutes for every longitude. Total degrees of longitudes is equal to 46 plus 82.5, is equal to 128.5. 1 degree longitude is equal to 4 minutes. 128.5 degree is equal to 128.5 into 4. Answer 540 minutes is equal to 540 minutes divided by 60 minutes. And the answer is 8 hours and 34 minutes. The local time at 46 degree west longitude, that is at Sao Paulo, will be 8 hours and 34 minutes behind the IST time in India is equal to 6 am. Time difference 6 minus 8 hours and 34 minutes is equal to 6 minus 6 hours plus 2 hours 34 minutes. 6 minus 6 hours minus 2 hours 34 minutes is equal to 12 midnight minus 2 hours 34 minutes is equal to 9.26 pm. The local time at Sao Paulo was 9.26 pm on the earlier day. Thank you.